Hi everyone, today's video will show you how to add error bars in Excel. To start, open up your MX Excel where you want to work on. Click anywhere in the chart you are working on. Then you click on the Layout tab. Now you locate and select error bars. Then you pick an error bar option that you want. It could be to locate error bars with standard errors. It could be to locate error bars with percentage, or to locate error bars with standard deviation. So that is how you add error bars in Excel. Hope you find this video helpful. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Bye guys, see you in the next video.